Imagine you're sitting on a beach in Bali, sipping a coconut, and scrolling through your phone. You come across a post about Raiz, a popular investment app. But wait, is Raiz just for Australians? That's the question we're diving into today. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's explore the world of Raiz together. Raiz is a digital investment platform that makes investing accessible and affordable. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. But here's the thing, Raiz isn't just for Aussies. Raiz global reach. Raiz has expanded its reach beyond Australia, making it available to investors in New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines. And that's not all. Raiz is actively exploring other markets to bring its innovative investment solutions to a wider audience. How does Raiz work? Whether you're in Australia or any other supported country, Raiz works the same way. You simply create an account, link your bank, and start investing. Raiz uses a fractional buying approach, allowing you to invest small amounts regularly. Key features of Raiz. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make Raiz a popular choice. Diversification ***. Raiz offers a range of investment options, including ETFs that track various asset classes, helping you build a diversified portfolio. Automation ***. Set up recurring investments to make saving and investing a habit. Roundups ***. Raiz can automatically round up your spare change from purchases and invest it for you. Goal setting ***. Create personalized investment goals and track your progress. Is Raiz suitable for you? Now that you know a bit more about Raiz, let's consider if it's the right investment platform for you. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to start investing and build wealth over time, Raiz could be a great option. However, it's important to do your own research and consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. So, to answer our original question, is Raiz only for Australians? The answer is no. Raiz is expanding its reach and becoming accessible to investors in multiple countries. Whether you're in Australia, New Zealand, or any other supported market, Raiz offers a convenient and affordable way to invest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.